epic fried whole chicken. Basically, I did some innovation and I'm taking this chicken. This is not boneless. It's a breast piece, around 800 grams. So for the marination, I'm using some paprika powder, curry powder, and then ginger with skin. I'm using this capsicum, the green one, and if it's winter we can use easily jalapeno and the lime. So we are making a paste of it. We are mixing all together in a mixer, and of course some salt, and then I'm going to marinate it with the chicken. So here it is. And we need to marinate it both sides. We will keep this chicken for 30 minutes, not more than 30 minutes, because chicken is very soft and we are using lime over here. So if we are marinating it more than 30 minutes, it will be much more tender. So we don't want it. We want to fry it, so it will be a tender. That's it. So I'm going to come up after 30 minutes. Thank you. For the second part, first we need to put some white oil. Actually it's half cup. We need to heat the oil first. And most important, we are using the steel frying pan. It's not a non-stick one, it's a steel. So we need to check it's done. First I am going to add some garlic, four garlic, and then few baby onions. And with that I'm going to add some mango ginger, which we call as amada. So let's see how the taste will be. Once the crackling sound is there, we need to put the chicken here. So here the chicken is roasting, and the main part is that we are not going to put any lid over that. So the next part is what I am going to do. Place this. So it's a stone and we are going to place it on that. And once one side is done, we need to flip it and again repeat the same process. So let's check if it's done or not. Let's check it. So it has a nice color and the oil is reduced as well. So I'm going to switch off the gas and let's do some plating. So we are going to do it very urbanly, roughly. No need to garnish at all. I'm just placing it. And the second part. Oh, it's done. And I'm not going to use this oil. So here it is, and we are taking some baby onions and garlic. So I'm trying as much oil I can reduce. So here it is. The chicken is done. We just fried it and just served with some capsicum. It's really hot, but I'm going to see if it's tender or not. Let's check it out. It's soft. It's done, whitish, and it's really very soft. So the easiest process is there. We can just fry. It will take hardly 30 minutes. So let's see. You try it and let me know how it is.